In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always open Google Chrome in incognito mode on Windows. This can be incredibly useful for those of you who like to browse privately right from the start. With just a few steps, you'll have the convenience of opening Chrome directly in incognito mode every single time. First, let's get started by locating your Google Chrome shortcut. You might have this on your desktop or pinned to your taskbar, so head over to whichever location you have easy access to. Once you've found the shortcut, the next thing you want to do is right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and from there, you will see an option labeled Properties. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened the Properties window, you'll see a section labeled Target. This area is crucial for our process. The Target field is a pathway that tells your computer where to find and launch Google Chrome. It normally ends with chrome.exe. Now, here is where the magic happens. What you're going to do is click to place your cursor at the very end of this line, right after the quotation mark. At this point, add a single space. Yes, a space is all you need to separate the new command from the existing path. Then, type in Incognito. Adding this command prompts Google Chrome to start in incognito mode automatically every time you use that shortcut. What you should see is something like C+program files /Google /Chrome /application /Chrome.x. Incognito. Make sure you have it exactly like that, with a space between the quotation mark and the two dashes. After you've double-checked everything to ensure it looks right, you'll want to save these changes. Look at the bottom right of the Properties window and click on the button labeled Apply. Once you've done that, go ahead and click OK to close the Properties window. And there you have it. You've now set up your Google Chrome shortcut to always open in incognito mode. Every time you use this particular shortcut, Chrome will open a new window where your browsing won't be recorded in your browsing history, and cookies are not saved. It's a great setting for maintaining privacy if you're sharing your computer with others, or if you just prefer a more discreet browsing environment. So that wraps up our session today on how to set Google Chrome to always open in incognito mode. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it makes your internet browsing experience that much smoother and more private. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.